If you're stuck on X's age verification error, here's what you need to do. First of all, open the X app and make sure you're logged into your account. After that, tap on your profile icon at the top left corner, then tap your profile icon again. After that, tap on Edit Profile. Now, here, double check your birth date, and if it's wrong or missing, update it now. Then, head back and go into Settings and Privacy. After that, tap on Your Account followed by Account Information. If X is asking for age verification, you will likely see a prompt here. Just follow the instructions to upload a valid ID and a selfie. Also, make sure your email is verified. If not, verify it right away. That often clears the issue. And if it's still not working, try logging into x.com from a browser and uploading your documents there instead. Once verified, the error should go right away. That's all. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more of these videos, and thank you for watching.